The other day I went to Dunkin Donuts to try their new drink, the Charli, and it was absolutely amazing, which is why I'm going to show you all how to easily recreate it at home. You will need whole milk. You're also going to need some caramel. I'm using the Hershey's caramel syrup. And of course, some good cold brew coffee. I'm using store-bought, but you can also make the coffee yourself. And lastly, some ice cubes. The first thing you're going to do is drizzle caramel inside the walls of a glass. This is a caramel cold brew, so don't be shy using a generous amount. Next, you're going to fill up your cup with some ice. Then you're going to add 1 cup of your cold brew coffee into your glass. Next, add in half a cup of whole milk. This is when your drink will start to change colors. And the last thing you're going to do is drizzle some extra caramel on top. And that is how you can easily make the Charli at home. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.